Now, this 7 cups hand vegetable chopper that can help you cut the onion in 30 seconds without tears. And the food processor is easy to blend eggs, making up a gravy mix, mixing up instant pudding, guacamole, dips and other lightweight or creamy things. Most importantly, it saves your food preparing time and improves your cutting efficiency. Get Pro Chef Power with the Dash Chef Series Hand Blender. This 5-speed handheld immersion blender allows for a full range of motion while blending, and comes with blender and whisk attachments. The stainless steel exterior gives the Chef Series hand blender a durable, elegant appearance, and the stainless blades won't dull over time. Make soups, sauces, mashed potatoes, whipped cream, meringue, and more. The size of the hand blender makes it easier to store than a traditional countertop blender, and makes it so you can blend anywhere you like for full control. Double-sided stainless steel scoops are perfect for fruit and veggie prep. Small-sized scoop is ideal for use with strawberries, pears, tomatoes and scooping the seeds out of vegetables like bell peppers, cucumbers, zucchini, summer and winter squash. The big scoop is great for fruit salad, drop cookies and scooping ice cream.
Put a creative spin on your meals with the Chefman Electric Spiralizing Combo Kit. You get 3 blade styles, spiralize, ribbon, and grate. Equipped with a powerful 300-watt ultra-quiet motor, this spiralizer and immersion hand blender quickly purees sauces, mixes beverages, spiralizes vegetables, and more, making gluten-free, low-carb, and creative meals with just the touch of a button. Get the most out of your purchase with access to clubchefman.com for recipes, tutorials, and personalized help from a chef.
This tofu press is compact and simple for fuss-free pressing. It's totally hands-off once you set it up. There's no adjusting knobs or applying pressure. Cleaning our press is a breeze. All 3 pieces are dishwasher safe, and there are no crevices that require extra scrubbing. This tofu press is BPA-free, without harmful chemical to worry about. Made of 100% food-grade ingredients. Support to store in refrigerator when pressing tofu. Why choose this tofu press? This tofu press is a box-style gadget which provides hassle-free and mess-free draining without the constant monitoring and adjustments needed with plate-style presses. It's an easy technique that yields excellent results, especially if you enjoy baked tofu. We offers a full 30-day 100% money-back guarantee. We provide unconditional return if any product problem. Customer experience is first.